Hello, everybody. My name is Moshumi. I am a registered dietitian and super excited about today's live. It's all about seeds. And we will be talking about my favorite seeds, how much seeds should you take? Are they good for you, bad for you? Why do you need seeds, and so on. So anyways, before wasting any time, let's go ahead and get started. All about seeds is our topic today. And for everybody who's viewing me live, please feel free to bringing me your questions, even if you're just watching a replay. Happy to see any questions from you guys. Absolutely love it. It makes my day. And any other topics you guys want covered too is great. To bring in for my lives, or I do blog posts, so absolutely anything we can do to get healthy nutrition and this great lifestyle to one and everybody. So again, it's all about seeds. Why do I like seeds, right? Most seeds, again, are great for your fiber, your vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy monounsaturated fats. They actually, the one thing I do want to mention though, is make sure all of this, all the seeds and things we are talking about today, we are doing that in addition to our regular healthy diet, right? Just doing seeds are not going to bring our cholesterols down, or our blood pressure down, but that the seeds incorporated with a healthy diet and lifestyle is what is going to make a change. And like I said, I've had many clients reverse their diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol. So super excited about this. Also, we will be talking about seeds and how they affect our hormones. So lots of great information. Do not go, stay in here. We'll try to get as much as we can in the next 15-20 minutes, hopefully. So all right, so my absolute most favorite seeds are flax seeds. Why? Because flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are absolutely, I call them my wonder seeds, and they are packed with many things. They do have ALA, which is like the alpha linoleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid that basically our bodies don't make it, so we need it from food. And flax seeds are one of those seeds that actually supply it, right? Apart from this, there's this high quality protein, which especially for people who are vegetarians, it's a great thing to add to your diet, to help complement the protein. Lots of omegas, lots of omegas, omega 3s. Again, flax is absolutely a wonderful addition to your diet. And why is this my favorite seed? Well, it is wonderful for women like me who are going through like a menopausal phase. It's wonderful because some of the lignans actually work as your phytoestrogens, and they really help take away some of the premenopausal symptoms you're feeling. They help against tumors, breast cancers. So again, like I said, including me, most of the women I consult with, or most of my clientele are women. I do see men also, but again, majority are women. And my niche or specialty is working with women in their 40s, 50s, which is where you see these hormonal changes. And I really believe flaxseed is absolutely wonderful to incorporate in your diet, especially at this phase. So many postmenopausal women that I've worked with, and studies show, there's still research, of course. Please make sure to always consult your dietitian or your doctor before incorporating these in into your diet. But tell you what, especially with post-menopausal women, we've had some great luck in reversing cholesterol. And one of the things I definitely recommend or add there are flax seeds, high fiber, just so wonderful for you. The thing you want to keep in mind though with flax is it is make sure it is ground, because again it's there in the shell. If you can grind it fresh, nothing like it. Otherwise you do get fresh ground flaxseed that you want to use. You can add it to multiple things. It is heat sensitive, so keep that in mind when you're cooking. I really like to add it to like my smoothies, my eggs, and my chutneys that I make, sauces, a great addition. Again, what is the dose? Very often people will ask me, what is the dose? So since this is high fiber, I say not more than 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is what I recommend. And like I said, there are studies going on, but then, and I have also worked with it with my own clients, with many different groups of women, and I've seen wonderful results. But again, talk to your dietitian or your physician, because it's very specific to what your body needs, and what predisposed conditions you have, and so on. So here is my wonderful flax meal, flax that I use every day, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, the only thing is you want to be careful if you have things like GI issues, diverticulitis, if again any GI issues, make sure you consult with your physician, your dietitian, or your healthcare professional before starting on any of this. And all of these that I'm recommending, like I said, it's on top, guys, of a healthful diet. That's where you're going to see the benefit. Just, sometimes people go, hey, I've been having 2 tablespoons of flax, didn't do much. It has to be the balance, right? Make sure you've got that healthy balance to actually reap the best benefits of your flax. Make a guess while I'm taking this drink of water. What is my next favorite seed? Chia. These little black seeds, oh my God, wonder seeds, I call them. Also very similar to flax seeds. They also have a wide array of antioxidants, polyphenols, wonderful thing. One of the things again that we've seen with flax, that we also see with chia, is the ALA, which really helps in reducing your inflammation. So there is a chemical in our body which is called the C-reactive protein, and that can cause a lot of inflammation. So chia really helps with that, to bring that down. So it's an wonderful anti-inflammatory also. They're again incorporated with a good, well-balanced diet. It can also help you lose weight because of the fiber content. It's a great one to have. For example, 1 ounce, or like 2 tablespoons of chia has about 11 grams of fiber. It's got 12 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of that, guys, is fiber. So the wonderful thing about that is it's so high fiber that it can do wonderful things with your gut. It's got both the soluble, insoluble fibers in it. It's absolutely wonderful to have. But like I said, anything that when you are starting a high fiber diet, or when you're starting any of these seeds, you really have to keep in mind not to go over. If you have GI issues, if you're pregnant, if you're on like a blood thinner, hormone therapy, especially with flax, you really want to make sure you are consulting somebody before starting this. I also like chia because it's got a good balance of your essential amino acids. So again, like I said, it's got an array of benefits, very similar to flax. Chia does have some more calcium in it, so it's great again for women, especially during the premenopausal, menopausal times too. That's another seed that I definitely recommend to most of my clientele. Not to say that, it doesn't do thing for men. If you are, like I said, if you want to go on a high fiber diet to help with like your cholesterol, help with like your blood sugars, definitely consider taking these guys, your flaxseed, your chia seeds. A question that is commonly brought out to me is, can we mix them? Can we mix a flax and a chia together? Yes, you can. The only thing I say is, because they are both high fiber, right? Number one, I do not like to exceed my 2 tablespoons. The other thing is I kind of like to break it. So if I'm having, say, a teaspoon of chia in the morning, I'm going to have another a tablespoon. I'm going to have my flax in the evening. So because too much of fiber at one time, like I said, can sometimes cause bloating, just making you more uncomfortable. So it's nice to kind of break it up into your two segments. And the other question I very often get is, can I have my chia just like that, or should I soak it in something? So the deal is this: when you're soaking your chia, it's like sprouting your grain, right? And people who have, again, GI issues, I would say go ahead and soak your chia. Some people do not like it. It forms like a gel pudding consistency. Some love it, some don't. In that case, just throw it in your smoothie, sprinkle it on like your salads, your veggies, your dip, no problem. Again, just keep in mind, because it's high fiber, make sure you're hydrating, make sure so it doesn't stay in there. People who have choking risks, I always say be careful. These are really tiny seeds, so again, make sure you've got ample amount of water when you are doing your chia seeds. The next favorite that I kind of grew up with are sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are more prevalent in Asia and Asian cooking. These are those, I don't know if you guys can even see it, but small, tiny white seeds. And they, again, have a lot of lignans in them, especially something called sesamin. And sesamin, converts something called enterolactone in the gut, and it again mimics estrogen. And that is why it has a very nice protective it gives a lot of protection for people who are predisposed to like heart disease. It's great for people with breast cancer, kind of similar to flax, the way I talked, with post, there are, of course, many studies have been done. And one of the studies I was looking at said for postmenopausal women, about 50 grams of sesame every day can really help improve their blood cholesterol. Especially, again, this is great also as your anti-inflammatory, wonderful for arthritis. Good amount of calcium here too, guys. Knee arthritis, very common, right? Try doing 40 to 50 grams of sesame seed powder for about 6 weeks to 8 weeks and see if that's helping with that. I often also recommend sesame seed to my athletes because of the muscle damage. So it really helps with that also, and increases the aerobic activity. So lots of good things about sesame seed too. Very prevalent now here in the US markets too. So definitely try to get that. And I really think it has a really good flavoring too. So just kind of sprinkle it on your meals, or you can even use like a sesame seed paste. Tahini is great for that. So yeah, multiple ways that we can get our sesame seed in. My next favorite one, make a guess. I just roasted some. Oh my gosh, I love these on my salads. These guys are your sunflower seeds. Wonderful, lots of vitamin E, monounsaturated fats. Again, sunflower seeds, like I said, I do work a lot with middle age, if you want to call them, like women who are in like the 40s, 50s, and so on. And it has really shown to reduce inflammation in them too. For you guys, whoever is joining me late, my name is Moshumi, and I do these lives called Lunch with the Dietitian every Friday at noon Eastern Time here in Michigan. And so follow me, follow my blog. I have many different groups running. I do a lot of individual consults too. So definitely private message me if you're interested. And otherwise, please comment, like my blog, feel free to share it. Love hearing from all you guys. And today's topic again is seeds, my favorite seeds. Which ones do I like, dosage, and so on. And honestly, it's so hard to pack so much information in like 15, 20 minutes. So I'm trying to like race through this, but I think I'll do another series on this really, because there is just so much, and I'm so passionate about seeds and what it can bring. Again, these are, if you are following a good healthy diet, right, you're adding it. So we talked about our flax seeds, chia seeds, we talked about sesame seeds. Now we are talking about sunflower seeds, and like I said, they're packed with your monounsaturated fats. Your vitamin E helps in reduction of your inflammation. And again, the C-reactive protein, which really can create more inflammatory issues. Sunflower seeds, if you, can do a continuous consumption for like at least 6 to 8 weeks, it's been shown to reduce that also. Quickly want to touch base. I know we probably are kind of running out of time here too. My other two favorite seeds are your pumpkin seeds and hemp seeds. Pumpkin seeds are wonderful. They're a great source of protein again, lots of magnesium, zinc, folate, wonderful antioxidants in there. Hemp seeds, can't say enough. It is perfect. It's wonderful protein wise, especially for vegetarians. So I say anybody incorporate these in your diets until and unless you have allergies, you're nursing, you're on hormone therapy, blood thinners, any of that. Otherwise you can, but especially if you are thinking of transitioning to a vegetarian diet, or even doing a vegetarian diet a few times, you definitely want to think about seeds. Women, again, like I said, especially, great for men too, but women especially in like the premenopausal, postmenopausal, hormones are doing all those wacky things with you. Definitely try to incorporate these seeds. A good mix, I say, is what is most important. A good mix of these seeds, and try not to exceed, because especially the flax and chia, very high in fiber, right? So try not to do more than 2 tablespoons per day. If we can break it up, it's wonderful. With our flax, I'm just kind of putting everything that we talked about together with our flax. Remember, guys, to do a makeup powder. Is flax oil better, or is flax better? Now, flax oil has more ALA in it, but then I would recommend the flax powder because of the fiber, and it's got such a good combination of your calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, great for, again, our bones and joints and all that good stuff. and the other seeds, like I said, are your sunflower seeds, your pumpkin seeds, your hemp seeds. What I'm going to do also, which I've done, I'm going to, I've made a little uh, like a little post for you guys where I'm comparing all my seeds with how and when which seed. So kind of to put it all together, I'm going to quickly read from this post that I am actually creating. So no worries if you don't get it now, it is, just follow my blog. I am going to be posting sunflower seeds, right? Vitamin E, it really helps neutralize your free radicals. It also has magnesium, which is wonderful for your bones, and it also helps lower your blood pressure, decreases muscle tension. You know how we recommend magnesium for people who have that. Definitely try using your sunflower too. I also recommend it to people that come in to me with migraine headaches that just won't go, soreness, fatigue. It's great. Like I said, I've used that many a times with my athletes too. Flax, my favorite one. It again, all of this is all research based, like I said, but it may help lower your blood pressure. Lots of omega-3s, guys. It helps reduce inflammation, and of course the lignans, they help promote your digestive health. And they also, like I said, flax works wonders for women post menopausal, and great for cancer prevention. Chia, my little black seeds that I have right up here, great amount of calcium, phosphorus, great for your bone health. So absolutely, again, I know I seem biased when I keep saying women and women, but women in your 40s, 50s, start taking, chia again, if no allergies or any of the other things that I've mentioned. Great again for your digestive health too. Lots of fiber. Make sure to get lots of water. Omega-3s also, chia has lots of omega-3s, which can reduce your inflammation, antioxidants, high protein, and then it also helps regulate your insulin. So absolutely wonderful, isn't it? Next one, my sesame seeds, lots of calcium and phosphorus in this too, which promotes our bone health. Like I said, great for even like knee joint pain. Lots of antioxidants, manganese. These reduce your free radicals in your body. Zinc is also there, which is kind of hard to find. So this, does have that. Again, it helps reduce, the other thing it does is help reduce your stress and reduces hypertension. Pumpkin seeds, always use this also. It's always there in my pantry. High in protein, like I said, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, zinc, iron, copper, B vitamins, your vitamin K, and some vitamin E. It protects against osteoporosis, most alkaline forming seeds, and it helps fight chronic diseases too. So pumpkin seed, keep that in mind. Hemp, complete protein, right? Wonderful again, especially if you're transitioning to like a vegetarian. It contains all your essential fatty acids, omega-6, omega-3s, great source of soluble and insoluble fiber. Remember how at one of my episodes I was talking about fiber? So this has a great combination of both soluble and insoluble, and a great source of your vitamin A, B1, B2, D, and E. And I think we've got all of our seeds covered in here, guys. If you are, if you are looking for a company that manufactures seed butters, does a lot with seeds, look no further. 88 Acres. Again, thank you to 88 Acres for sending me all these wonderful samples. I absolutely love what they do with seeds. They've done, starting from your watermelon seeds to, they've done so much research on seeds, and I love their products. Very minimal use of of any preservatives. So again, like I said, if you've got an athlete or even for yourself, busy moms, right, got so much going on, try their products. I really, really like their products. 88 Acres is the name of the company. They are on Facebook, and like for example, this one has like 12 grams of protein in it. So again, thank you guys for watching. I will continue. I really want to also do an episode on seed rotation and cycle for hormones. Absolutely love that. I've kind of worked with that too. So watch out for my coming episodes every Friday, noon Eastern time. Back me up with all those questions, queries, anything you guys want. Love hearing from you guys, and follow my blog and private message me if you want to consult with me. I will see you guys again next Friday at noon. Have a happy, healthy week, all of you, okay? Take care. See you guys soon again. Bye now.